Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this XSense Wi-Fi smoke alarm. The model is XS01-WX. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. Here we have a contact card, we have the manual. So this comes with the alarm, a mounting bracket, screws, anchors, and manual. This connects up with the XSense Home Security app. This talks about how to connect it. This gives recommendations for locating your alarms in your house. It has some notes, placement, more placement guidelines. Here are the operating instructions. So this has a silence function. So if you have a nuisance alarm, you can press a button and silence it. The silence lasts for 9 minutes, and if the smoke is cleared, then it will not go off again. Here's the device status checklist. It has a flashing LED indicator, and depending on the flashes of it, you can tell what mode it's in or what the problem might be. And here are the tech specs. So this has a 10-year operating life. The battery life is 1 year. It's a photoelectric smoke alarm. And this connects to Wi-Fi, and this connects to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It is not compatible with 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. This talks about maintenance, testing, battery replacement. This uses a CR123A battery. So let's take a look at the alarm. Here we have the screws, and here's the alarm. So we have the battery there, and there was a pull tab. It kind of fell out to activate the battery, so it's not draining in storage. But this is a very compact alarm. It has a very modern look to it. You have the stainless grill here, and it's plastic. We have the test button on the side. Under my thumb here, we have a QR code for setting it up. So let's do that now. And then we have a base here. So to mount this, you can attach it to a surface with 2 screws. Now it comes with screws. You want to use the screws or similar screws, as you want them to be flush here because this rides up against the back of the alarm. So that's something to keep in mind. So you mount the plate, and then this will thread into it and lock in. And here's our CR123A battery. So let's get this set up. I'm going to set this up on my iPad. You want to go to the App Store and download the XSense app. I have it installed here and I have an account created. So I'll hit the plus to add a device. I'll say smoke alarm, Wi-Fi smoke alarm. It says remove the back cover, remove the insulating film to the power supply, ensure the polarity is correct. So I'll insert the battery. So this video is going to have loud sounds in it. We're going to name the smoke alarm. We have the location as house. The room is entryway. You can change those if you want. I'll hit next. It says pair your device. Press and hold the test silence button on the Wi-Fi smoke alarm for 5 seconds until its LED indicator flashes blue. Immediately tap operation confirmed before the LED light goes off, or else you will need to repeat the step to make the LED indicator flash blue. So I'll hold that button down. Okay, so it's flashing blue. I'll hit operation confirmed and I'll hit next. It says searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Okay, the device was added. I'll hit finish. It says you can continue to add a device or tap finish. I'll hit finish again. So now we have the smoke alarm listed in the app. So I can tap on this. We can change the settings here. I'll scroll down. Here you can see we have offline notifications turned on, and then we have different notifications. So you can tailor your notifications to your needs. Okay, so I'll test the alarm. I'm going to hold my thumb over the middle to silence it a little bit. Okay, so we should get a notification here in a second. There we go. We got a notification. It says smoke alarm in entryway tested and in good condition. So now this is ready to go. Okay, so I've mounted the plate to the ceiling. So I'll put the smoke alarm in there. I'll give it a twist, and it will lock it in place. So that's the XSense XS01-WX Wi-Fi smoke alarm. So there are many applications for a smoke alarm like this. You can put this in living rooms, dining rooms, bedrooms, but I think these can be especially helpful in areas like, say, a detached garage. Now you would need Wi-Fi access in the garage, but if you had a regular smoke alarm in there, if it went off you wouldn't hear it. With this, it would alert you on your phone. This would also be extra helpful, say if you have a basement furnace that's kind of away from the rest of the house. If there were fire in there, you might not notice. With this, it will alert your phone. You could even put one of these in a relative's house, so if you have elderly parents that you take care of, you could put this in their location and you can be notified immediately if they have any smoke. Now there is a monitoring service you can also purchase for this if you want to have remote monitoring. Now I do want to point out that these are not interconnected. These are independent of each other, but you can add a lot of them to the app. I forget the amount, but it's more than most people would need. And you can also share the app, so you could have someone else take care of your house. Say if you're on vacation, you're out of the country, you can share the alarm with someone when they're monitoring your house, and then if they see the smoke detector go off, they know to call the fire department or go check your house out. So if you're looking for a Wi-Fi connection connected smoke detector, I think this is a great option. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.